Say welcome to today's vlog.
Welcome to today's vlog. We're gone fishing.
We are going on a little date. We're taking our Yeti and
Oh shoot, I need to go get bait.
ham and cheese sandwiches.
Oh, BP as bait.
Yeah, ham and cheese sandwiches and water and watermelon and puppy chow. And we're gonna go to the lake. We're gonna eat it on the dock, and then Max is gonna go fishing. And we're also gonna bring Ronnie, because Ronnie has never gone fishing before, and I think it'd be so fun.
Go eat your food, Ronnie.
I wanted to vlog it because we don't have many dates left, just the two of us, because we have like 2 months left until Junie's gonna be born. So I was like, definitely need to document. Okay, we're off. We got the fishing pole here. Run, John! And today Max and I went and like got ourselves a present, because during wedding season, like all summer, we don't really like buy things for ourselves. And we just kind of like pay the bills and then like do some renovations to the house and stuff. So today we got Apple Watches and we're super happy. We used to have them like a long time ago when we were dating.
We both got the first generations that like were the first
when
ones
they
to come
first
out.
came out.
Like literally within the first week that they came out, we both had them. And then we both wore them like religiously until, shoot, I didn't bring my glasses, it's okay. Religiously until maybe a year ago.
Ronnie! Hi, bud! They stopped to get worms. Ronnie. He's a good boy. We're eating right now. Max is done eating, so he's fishing. We learned Ronnie doesn't like watermelon.
Oh, it's a little perch.
Okay, Ronnie's first experience.
Never mind, it's a catfish.
It is?
Yep.
What do we do?
Cut the line.
Ronnie, what is that? He's scared.
I'm gonna have to send Cole a picture now because
Alright, Ronnie's probably super hot right now, so we're gonna let him go in the water. Sorry, just let his feet go in the water, not his whole body, Max said. Because we don't want to have wet dog to bring home. So, okay. Come on, Ronnie. Daddy said you can get a drink and you can put your feet in. Okay? Yeah, go to this side. This side's cleaner. Good boy. You can go down there. Go down there. Okay, that's good. Oh, he sees a little fish. Okay, Ronnie, that's good. Come back this way. Come back, Ronnie. No, come back this way.
good.
Babe, he laid down in it. He was hot. It's okay. It's really hot out right now. So we left because it was so hot, and so we had to leave because I
It's just
couldn't.
something about like in the middle of a lake, just way hotter.
Yeah, and there was no shade. So
I mean, in the
anyway,
middle of the water, you know, in a dock surrounded by water.
and Ronnie was even like really hot, and he got to swim. But anyway, the air feels so good. I like pulled up my shirt so my belly was showing, and I rolled my shorts up and pulled my sleeves up, and I was trying to like cool off, and I just couldn't. But Max was okay with leaving, so it's all good.